Welcome, Toyota owners and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a topic crucial for vehicle longevity. Common Toyota issues that appear only in hot weather. As temperatures soar, your beloved Toyota faces unique challenges. High heat can significantly stress various vehicle components, leading to unexpected problems. First up, engine overheating. This is a critical issue where your engine's temperature gauge rises dangerously, sometimes even showing steam from under the hood. Often it's due to coolant issues or problems with the radiator. Ensuring your cooling system is in top shape is vital to prevent this. Next, air conditioning system malfunctions. Imagine a sweltering day, and your AC vents are blowing nothing but warm air. It's a common hot weather headache. Causes range from refrigerant leaks and compressor failure to clogged filters. Regular AC checks can save you from discomfort. Hot weather is surprisingly tough on your car battery. You might experience your Toyota struggling to start, or even notice corrosion on the battery terminals. Heat accelerates chemical reactions inside the battery and causes fluid evaporation, significantly shortening its lifespan. Keep an eye on its health. Tire pressure and blowouts are another major concern. High temperatures increase the internal pressure in your tires, raising the risk of a dangerous blowout. Always check your tire pressure regularly, especially before long journeys in the heat. It's a simple step that can prevent serious accidents. Fluid leaks and evaporation are also more prevalent in hot weather. You might spot puddles under your car or notice low fluid indicators. Heat can cause seals to dry out and essential fluids like oil, brake fluid, and power steering fluid to evaporate more quickly. Regular checks are key. Brake fade is another dangerous issue. Excessive heat can reduce the effectiveness of your brake pads, making your car take longer to stop. In extreme cases, you might even see smoking brakes. Ensure your braking system is inspected before summer to maintain safety. Don't forget about interior damage. Prolonged exposure to UV radiation and extreme heat can wreak havoc on your car's cabin. This can lead to cracked dashboards, faded upholstery, and warped plastic. Protecting your interior is crucial for maintaining resale value and comfort. Now, let's talk about preventative measures. Regular maintenance checks are your first line of defense against hot weather issues. Schedule pre-summer inspections, check coolant levels, and inspect belts and hoses. A proactive approach saves you trouble down the road. Monitoring tire pressure is non-negotiable. Use a reliable gauge to check your tires regularly, especially before any long trips. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency and, more importantly, prevent dangerous blowouts caused by heat. Protecting your interior is simple but effective. Always try to park in shaded areas or use a sunshade when parking in direct sunlight. Applying UV protectants to your dashboard and upholstery can also significantly extend their life and appearance. Finally, address AC issues promptly. If you notice a drop in performance, get your air conditioning system serviced without delay. A well-functioning AC isn't just about comfort, it's about maintaining a safe and pleasant driving environment during those scorching summer months. In summary, hot weather can bring challenges like engine overheating, AC malfunctions, battery degradation, and tire issues to your Toyota, but with proactive maintenance, regular checks, and simple protective measures, you can ensure your vehicle remains reliable and safe. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep your Toyota running smoothly, no matter how high the mercury rate. Your car will thank you for it. What are your go-to hot weather car tips? Share them in the comments below. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.